Yunhao told me, treat the customers like your girlfriend. If you can put like only half of the energy you put into your girlfriend into this business and into our customers, that's going to be a huge success for us.
Love it.
Great story. I'm super excited to welcome Yunhao and Rui, the founders of TestSprite, to the Trilogy family. This is the latest investment we've made, and we'd love to hear more about what they're about.
Thanks, Rui. We're excited as well.
Yunhao, tell us, what is TestSprite?
In short, TestSprite is an agentic testing tool built for modern coders. It tests, fixes, and validates your software automatically. Our AI actually live right inside your code editor, such as Cursor, GitHub Copilot. With a simple natural language prompt, like, hey, can you test my project? It will automatically got triggered, reading your product specifications, generate test plans, write and execute test cases, analyze test results, and even apply patches and fix without a human needing to be stepped in. Think it of like an AI tester actively sitting in your code base to ensure your software's quality. We want to move testing from being just a tool you use to a fundamental ecosystem that can underpin all software development.
We all know that agentic coding is exploding. We hear that from portfolio companies, from the industry at large. Tell us how TestSprite fits into this landscape.
It's really about completing the loop. So right now we can see an explosion of those coding agents, tools that write codes at really crazy speeds, but they make mistakes everywhere. Some people even claim that agentic coding can only be used for building MVPs, but not really for enterprise need products. So TestSprite is dedicated to build testing agent that is trying to pair with this kind of coding agents via the MCP, which is Model Context Protocol. When a coding agent generates a feature, TestSprite can immediately step in to verify it, creating a closed loop for generation, verification, and fix. We believe in the future, it isn't just about AI writing the code. It's also about AI developers and AI testers working together to guarantee the stability and the quality of the product.
Talk a little bit about the fantastic traction you've been experiencing.
We've seen incredible adoption in the past 12 months, especially after our MCP release. Early this year, we're seeing roughly 1,000 new customers every month. But after we release our 2.0 version with the MCP integration, we've onboarded almost more than 40,000 new users in just the past 4 months. We also have seen developers at companies like Google, Apple, Adobe, Salesforce using our tools. But it's not just big tech companies. Traditional enterprises are adopting us as well.
Tell me about what made you and Rui start TestSprite. Where did the idea come from?
We got started almost 2 years ago, back in late 2023. At that time, I was still working at Amazon AWS in a team called CloudFormation. They have lots of tickets from customers. I was on call during that period of time, and there is actually an outage happening, and lots of AWS and Amazon's clients got impacted. I even received a ticket from Disneyland. They said their roller coaster somehow stopped working due to that issue. We actually tried to find a bug and dig into the root cause for quite a long time. And it turns out it's just actually one line of code, which didn't really got fully covered in an extremely edge case. But the impact is so huge. We have thousands of integration test cases, front-end test cases, back-end test cases. They are all running fine, but we still didn't capture that case. So that is the time I somehow realized that although big tech companies like Amazon are doing so much work on testing, it's not enough. And human beings are becoming a bottleneck. When I was a programmer in Amazon, it took me almost a whole day to write simply 3-4 integration test cases. You need to almost write the workflow for the entire testing procedure, set up the environment, run it, which is very time consuming. And that is why when we see actually the popular of GPT 3.5, GPT 4, me and Rui immediately realized that AI probably can really change something for this boring testing work that nobody really likes, and even do a better job because AI can automatically generate more test cases with better coverage. That's why me and Ray finalized on this idea to co-found TestSprite.
Ray, what roles are you guys hiring right now?
As we scale, we are definitely hiring for both technical and non-technical roles. On the technical side, we're looking for engineers who have a strong background and also absolutely passionate about AI and solving problems with AI. We need people who crave for challenges because in TestSprite, we are solving really difficult problems. And those problems are most of the time open-ended. We definitely don't have any ground truths or perfect answer or perfect solutions to that. So we need builders who aren't afraid of this kind of uncertainty and navigate through it with us.
Thanks so much for taking the time, you guys. We really enjoyed the conversation. We're so happy to partner with you and lead your seed round, and we look forward to having many more conversations like this in the future. If you're building something amazing and want to learn more about Trilogy Equity Partners, visit us at trilogyequity.com. If you liked what you heard today, subscribe, rate, review, and/or share this podcast with your friends. Until next time.